What up, lads? Let's make some black bean tacos. Guys, have a mise en place ready here for this recipe, so we want to go through everything we're gonna need for that. So here I sliced ahead red onions, I have 1 shallot, fresh green chili, red chilies, garlic, limes, have 1 pomegranate, fresh coriander, 2 avocados, I have some roasted tomatoes that are from other recipe that I did and that we're gonna use for this one as well. I have these tortillas, black pepper, salt, olive oil, some hot sauce, I like this one, chili habanero is really good, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, coconut yogurt, cumin, smoked paprika, and 1 can of black beans. First thing, we're gonna open this thing. So we're gonna drain, wash it. Let them dry in here. Nice dash of olive oil. All the red onions. Tiny bit of this garlic because we're gonna need it for the other salsas. Just gonna soften a little bit, then we start with the spices. Starts to release some flavor already, you can smell it. Gonna enter with smoked paprika. And cumin. When you toast the spice like this, the flavor profile just changes completely. It's much better. This mixture is looking good, so we're gonna enter with our black beans. Maple. And now I'm gonna get my roasted tomatoes. Gonna crush them in like that. Now we just smash all together here, and we're gonna let this boil so all the flavors combine. Don't forget the black pepper. And salt. So guys, when it's dry like that, see? Not much liquid, it's more like a paste. So that's what we want. Then we're gonna keep this in the side. Start to heat up our skillet because we need this hot to cook our tortillas. And we're gonna make the 2 salsas down, okay? So for the first one, we're gonna use the avocados. So we just cut in half. Twist it. Take out the core. We slice. Scoop out. Banana. Then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic, so half of this garlic, all the red chilies, lime juice, pinch of salt, little bit of olive oil. Just mix. Let's add a little bit of coriander. Set this on the side. I'm gonna jump for our second one, which is the pomegranate. Leftover of the garlic, the green chili, and the shallots. Squeeze some lime as well. So how we're gonna do, we're gonna cut here the top of it. Beautiful. Look at this color. Then I'm gonna do big cuts. This one, you can see here these white lines, so I usually try to focus on them. 2. I go almost to the end because we're gonna open this like a flower. Then we just simply open like this. And boom boom. Turn upside down. We have almost all the seeds out. Just a few leftovers. You can just take carefully with your hand like this. Pick up all these white parts because you don't want this on the salsa. It's not good for it. Let's put a pinch of salt, some coriander, mixy mixy. So guys, I have my hot skillet here, some corn tortillas. No oil, no nothing, we just place them here to get some nice color on it. Let's do 2 at a time. We want to get them slightly toasted. No. Let's flip this one. Whoa, that's what we want. When they're good, just take out from this, place on a cloth. It is difficult to get. And then you keep them warm like this. Put in a cloth and keep laying like that until you start assembling all the tacos. So let's do one, guys. Get our tortilla. Get a spoon of our bean mix. This goes on the base. Like that. We get our guacamole. It goes like that. Ooh. A little bit of our pomegranate salsa. Get our coconut yogurt. And a dash of hot sauce. Amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down on the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.